Hi guys. So, start tayo na proving na item number 3
Dami nga
equal to number 3. Okay. So, let A, B, and C be consecutive integers with A less than B and B is less than C. So, if A daw ay hindi negative 1 and A daw ay hindi 3, need natin ipakita na A squared plus B squared is not equal to C squared. So, ano may sabihin ng consecutive integers? So, siguro himayin natin to. Ang sinasabi ng consecutive integers, basically meron ka lang n plus 1, plus n plus 2. So, itong tatlong to, these are three consecutive integers. So, ayan. Tapos, ano pa ba yung kailangan natin i-explain para mas maayos? Yung proof style. So, I mean, nakita yun na contraposition ginamit ko. Pero explain ko bakit. Kasi, kung paprove mo to directly, wala kasi tayong clear step paano ka makakarating dito. So, ang gagawin natin, guys, is puprove tayo contrapositively. So, ibig sabihin, ang i-assume natin is not Q, uh, we we show we show not to imply it's not P. So by contraposition. So ano i-assume natin mga guys? So ang assume natin is yung negation nito. Negation nito. So negation yan. Plus ito, kasama din pala to sa assumption. Tapos ang want to show natin is use tayo ng ibang color. So ang want to show is negation nito. Okay? So ang assumption natin is yung negation. Ay, assumption natin is yung black. Pero ine-negate natin to, guys. Tapos, ang want to show is ito, yung naka-circle. Yung negation nung naka-circle. Okay? So, ito, assume A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Plus, itong part na to, ito yung consecutive integers. Ito yun. So, nag-let lang ako na A, B, N, plus B is equal to N plus 1, plus C is equal to N plus 2. So, magiging consecutive integers na to. Tapos, ngayon, substitute natin tong A equals N dito. So, sasubstitute ko lang dyan. Tapos, by expansion, FOIL method. FOIL method. So, ano lang yan? Nakuha ko lang siya FOIL method kasi ang mangyayari dyan is, n plus 1 squared is equal to n squared plus 2n plus 1. Tapos, so n plus 2 squared equals sa n squared plus 4n plus 4. So, ayan. Expansion lang. So, high school algebra. Then, tapos ito, combine like terms. Combine like terms, maging ganito siya. Tapos ito, basically, ito lang din siya kasi wala naman tayong dinagdag na terms. Tapos, ito na APE. So, ano APE? Addition, property of equality. So, lilipat ko to sa kabila, lilipat ko to dyan, tapos lilipat ko to dito. So, yung right side magiging 0. Magiging 0 siya. Then, factor nyo to guys. Factor itong left side. Tapos, pag pinactor nyo, edi ang mangyayari is, ito siya. Yung pinactor. Pag pinactor nyo to, ito, magiging ganito siya. By factoring. Tapos, eto na. So, meron kasi tayong form na, eto na yung explain ko tong form na to kasi kailangan nyo siya. So, meron ka A, B, 0. A times B is equal to 0. Sabi natin yung A ko is n minus 3 and B is equal to n plus 1. So, ibig sabihin kasi na to guys, if A, B is equal to 0, then A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. So, edi ang next step ko dyan is, eto na, it follows either n minus 3 equals 0 or n plus 1 equals 0. So, isa sa kanila. So, isa sa kanila ay mag-0. So, pag nangyari yun, n minus 3 equals 0 or n plus 1 equals 0, eto na, sunod. Thus, n is equal to 3 or n is equal to negative 1. By APE. So, addition of equality ulit. So, nilipat ko to dito, tapos nilipat ko to dito. Kaya magiging ganito. Okay? Tapos, and equivalently, A is equal to 3 or A is equal to negative 1 kasi nga nag-let tayo na A is equal to N. Nag-let kasi tayo na A equals N, kaya parang binalik ko lang. Kasi N ko ay equal naman sa A. So may A is equal to 3 or A is equal to negative 1. And yan yung gusto natin ipakita. Kasi ano ba, kasi ang gusto natin ipakita is negation nito. Eh, ang negation nito is A equals 3 or A equals negative 1 or A equals 3 by De Morgan's. De Morgan's law. Ay, so, De Morgan's law. Ayan. So, bakit De Morgan's ginamit ko, guys? Kasi, itong form na to, yung naka-highlight, na yan, this is in the form, not P and not Q. So, ang negation yan, kapag i-negate mo, edi magiging not P, not P, or not Q. Not Q, or magiging ano siya, P or Q na lang. P or Q. Ibig sabihin, ang magiging negation yan is this nga, A is equal to 1 or A is equal to by De Morgan's. And ito yung napakita natin dito sa conclusion part, A is equal to 3 or A is equal to negative 1. So therefore, by contraposition, na-prove natin kung sa ating pakita. Okay. So ang ginamit natin is contrapositive. So let's recap. So baka kasi, Naguluhan. So, take two. Take two tayo, guys. Okay. So, meron ka nito. Hindi ako gumamit ng direct proof. So, ang inassume ko is kasama na to, assume this, and the negation of this. Negate ko to, so maging ganito yung assumption. And etong part na to kasi, dapat maging consecutive integers daw. Tapos yung C yung pinakamalaki, tapos yung A yung pinakamaliit. Okay? Tapos, yung mga A, B, C, substitute mo lang dito. So, tapos, by algebra, compute mo to. Tapos, factor this out, maging ganito. Tapos, pag meron ka kasing form na to, A, wherein A times B equals 0, ito yung A mo, tapos ito yung B mo, ito yung A mo, tapos ito yung B. So, ibig sabihin yan, either isa sa kanila ay mag-0. So, may n minus 3 equals 0 or n plus 1 equals 0. Sa APE, lilipat ko to dyan, lilipat ko to dyan. So, thus, n equals 3 or n is equal to negative 1. Eh, yung n mo, nakalagay sa assumption is a is equal to n. So, balik mo lang yung a. So, a equals 3 or a is equal to negative 1. And yan yung gusto natin ipakita. Kasi ang gusto mo ipakita is negation nito. Ang negation nito by De Morgans, ang negation nito by De Morgans is a equals negative 1 or a equals 3 by De Morgans. So, ayan yung gusto mong pakita. And yan. So, yan yung, napakita naman natin siya. Sa dulo, so by contraposition, valid nito. Okay? Yan lang. Next item. Wow.